Math Module 4, Lesson 24. I can solve word problems using fraction and decimal multiplication. Make sure everything I do in the video you're doing in your workbook. If you need to pause to catch up, do it. If you need to rewind and rewatch, anything to be successful. Good luck. Problem number 1. A vial contains 20 milliliters of medicine. If each dose is 1/8 of the vial, how many milliliters is each dose? Express your answer as a decimal. Well, let's focus on the question first. So, how many milliliters is each dose? So for one dose, and then how many milliliters? So the number of milliliters. And must have to write it as a decimal. So let's look at the information in the problem. A vial has 20 milliliters of meds. And one dose is 1/8 of the vial. So one vial is equal to 20 milliliters. And then one dose is equal to 1/8. So if I draw this as a tape diagram, I know that my total is 20 milliliters. I know that I have 8 parts because of that 8 in the denominator, and each dose is 1/8. So here's my one dose equals to who knows how many milliliters. So I need 1/8 of a vial. So I need to do 1/8 of, and well, a vial is equal to 20 milliliters. So I need to multiply 1/8 times 20. 1 times 20 is 20. 8 times 1, invisible 1, is 8. All right, now I have to make that a mixed number. 8 goes into 22 times, which is 8 times 2, 16. 20 minus 16 is 4/8. Simplify, divide by 4, divide by 4. Whole number stays the same. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 and 1/2. But, got to look at my final direction. Express your answer as a decimal. Well, so I need to go 2 and 1/2, and I know that half is 0.5, and so it's 2 and 5/10. And what's my label? Milliliters. So 2.5. So let's write our answer statement. Each dose is 2.5 milliliters. Make sure that M is lowercase and the L is capital. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 2. A container holds 7/10 of a liter of oil and vinegar. 3/4 of the mixture is vinegar. How many liters of vinegar are in the container? Express your answer as both a fraction and a decimal. So let's look at just the question. How many liters? So the number of liters of vinegar are in the container. Okay, so now let's look at the information. The container holds 7/10 liters of oil and vinegar, so it's both. So 2 things. Okay, 3/4 is vinegar. So then it says express your answer as both fraction and a decimal. Ooh, all right. I need to figure out how many liters are vinegar. So I have 3/4 of the 7/10 is vinegar. So let's multiply that. But you know what? I need to change that 7/10. Let's do 3/4 of 7/10. So we know of means multiply. I can't simplify, darn it. 3 times 7, 21. 4 times 10, 40. So this is my fractional answer. And I need to add my label. So what is this? This is liters. So now we need to solve for the decimal. So it's still 3/4, but how do I write 3/4 as a decimal? So think of 3/4. 3/4 is 0 and 75 hundredths of 0 and 7/10. Well, I can multiply this. So I'm going to do 75 hundredths, and yes, we wrote this before a few lessons ago, times 7, and that 7 is in the tenths. And I'm going to multiply just like I did before. I don't do the decimal because I've labeled it hundredths and tenths. 7 times 5 is 35, carry the 3. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 is 52. 100ths times tenths is thousandths. Now I'm going to rewrite that as a decimal. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths. 5, 2, 5, put a 0 in front. And that's my decimal answer. So now all I have to do is write my answer statement. So we have 21/40ths of a liter, or 0 and 525 thousandths of a liter of vinegar in the container. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 3. Andres completed a kilometer race in 13.5 minutes. His sister's time was 1.5 times longer than his time. How long did it take his sister to run the race? Let's look at the question again. How long did it take his sister to run the race? All right, so what do we know? We know Andres took 13.5 minutes. And we know that sister was 1.5 times longer. So I can draw this with a tape diagram. So if this is Andres, so this is 13.5, and sister went 1.5 times. So there's the 1, and then we need another half. So there's the other half. So 13.5, and I've got to figure out what that other section is. So let's do the multiplication, but I'm going to rewrite it as a decimal. 1.5 times 13.5, or 1 and 5/10 times 13 and 5/10. All right, let's do our multiplication. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, carry. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Write the 0, new place value. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1, or carry the 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Carry the 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. But now I need to look at my decimals. I have 1 after the decimal, and I have another after the decimal. So the decimal needs to have 2 numbers to the right of it. So sister is equal to 20 and 25 hundredths. So she's a total of 20 and 25 hundredths minutes. Well, I can also write this as a fraction, because I already have the decimal. So we could say it's still the whole number 20, and I have 25 hundredths. So 25, I think of cents. 25 cents, so how many quarters do I have if I have 25 cents? I have 1 quarter out of how many make 1 whole? It's 4. So 25 hundredths is equal to 1/4. 20 and 1/4 minutes. Another way I could have solved it is I could have taken the 13.5 and multiplied it by 5/10, because I already know times the 1 is 13.5, 13 and 5/10. So I could have done 13 and 5/10 times 5/10. 5 and 5, 25, carry the 2. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And let's look at, so I have 2 numbers to the right of the decimal, so I need 2 numbers to the right of the decimal. And then I would add 6 and 75 hundredths plus 13. So 13 and 5/10 plus 6 and 75 hundredths. Notice I'm lining up those decimals. There's this invisible 0. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry the 10. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 6 is 10. Carry the 1. Bring down that decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 20 and 25 hundredths. So either way, I could have figured out the correct answer. I could solve by multiplying 1.5, or I could just solve by multiplying the half, since I already knew the 1. Now, I ran out of space, but you need to write your answer statement saying, sister took 20 and 1/4 minutes to run the race. Make sure you showed all your work.